before everything just went blank.
As you guys can see, there's a big ass box behind me. But what is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to another video. I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last video. And if you guys are new, this is your boy Eddie, aka Inzane. Let's get to the big box. There is a big box here behind me that I am going to ship out today. You guys are like, wow, why you got such a big ass box? All right, remember how I told you guys I had ordered a wing? This is the wing, but I sold the wing already. I sold the wing to another homie out in Georgia, and I will tell you guys why I decided not to go with this wing and why I'm gonna go with the other wing when I go ship this and I come back. You feel me? So let's go take this package and get it to its rightful home. You feel me? Dude, I think I left my camera on this whole time and my battery just drained. Well, I'm here at the post office and I'm here to drop off the package, so we're gonna do that right now. Damn. Alright, took longer than expected, but shit. Bro, just to ship out that box, bro, it was $279 to ship that big box. To say the weight, it weighed 14 pounds. $279, my boy. That is crazy for shipping. It is what it is. I hope my boy is happy with a new wing. Yeah, now I gotta order mine. The reason why I decided to sell that wing was because start the M340. This wasn't the Street Hunter one. Like, I was so used to having the Street Hunter one that I was just like, damn, I should have just got that one. And it was too late for me to return it because they had already shipped it out. And when I asked to return it, it was a final sale, so I couldn't do it. So then I went and posted it, and then the homie came through and purchased it off me. So now it's going to him. Shout out to my boy for that, coming through for me. And now I get to buy the actual Street Hunter wing again. Hopefully I emailed them, see if they come back with the discount code, because they said it was gonna help out your boy. So hopefully they come through with that. We'll just wait on that, see if it does, and then yeah. But as of right now, wing is sold. I have to go drop off a piece to the body shop so it could get painted, and hopefully we get some news on the Supra right now and see if we can get new updates or anything like that. So yeah, man, yeah, kind of a little busy morning, not too much, but let's see what we get into today. Alright, but if y'all having a beautiful, amazing day so far, hit the like button for your boy, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and be part of the family, and be part of the Supra build. Still are in the works on the Supra build. It is not gone, it is still here. Seen some comments saying is the Supra's like, what's up with it, any updates? It's getting worked on, it's getting fixed, you know what I'm saying? It's getting fixed, and hopefully we get some update right now. I'm actually about to see if we get any updates right now. But damn, bro, that Benz over there is hard. Oh, it's not focusing. Damn, baller. Bro, funny enough, right now as we were talking about the Street Hunter wing and if we get the discount code, they just emailed me the discount code, like literally just right now. As you can see right there, bro, they literally just came through. So your boy's getting the Street Hunter V2 wing again. We're getting another one. I just like that wing better, bro. It just has a better flow design. I like it. And bro, it's so sad that my first one broke, but I'm gonna have that one as memorabilia, and I'm gonna have TJ Hunt sign it and the whole crew. Trust me, watch. Oh damn, they got some pieces on. Oh my god, I think they have it on. So here's the front bumper that I had bought from the homie a while ago, and they got it pretty much on. And damn, bro, holy shit, they basically fixed it, yo. Holy shit, I gotta order the wing ASAP, bro. But damn, bro, looks Looks like new, bro, compared to what you guys saw way before. Oh my god, bro, it is coming together. I am so excited now, bro. Seeing this now, I'm so excited. Holy shit. Obviously now they gotta paint. We're still waiting on the exhaust system. We gotta wait on that, and then damn, bro, it is coming along. I'm pretty sure it still needs the airbags inside. I think there's still a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, see, a lot of shit still up in here, dusty as hell. Oh my god, needs a wash. It's looking good, man. She almost there. Shit, man. Shit has me hella excited now. This is so clean, bro. Oh shit, I'm hella excited.
Before everything just went blank.
But yeah, bro, here she is. Right now I'm about to leave, but we about to let her do this work. But yeah, pretty much kind of done. I mean, not really done. A lot of pieces missing. He said he did get it to start up because he changed out all the coolant and everything. Like obviously everything's fixed. Remember, all this was broken. Yeah, so he said he started it already once. So he said it starts, everything's good. So that's good to hear. That's good that, you know, the car starts and everything's good. But like I told him, waiting on the exhaust system. He's gonna order the tail light and the headlight. Wait on the side skirts. Pieces inside, obviously. This piece, I think he has. But yeah, just little pieces now that he's gotta fix. And then I told him I was gonna bring the wing, and then obviously the exhaust. But yeah, bro, she's coming along. Hella excited. Fuck yeah, bro. She's gonna be back on the road in no time. Alright, so remember how I told y'all that Street Hunter gave me the discount code and everything. I just made my purchase right now. We keep it 100 with y'all. This is how much it came out to, and they came through for your boy. This is with me picking it up, no shipping. This is with the discount, and they came through for your boy, man. They came through for your boy. Total was 16.6. Yeah, bro. Instead of paying 2 G's, I'm paying basically 15, but the taxes, you know how that goes. Shout out to Street Hunter, bro, just for even coming through with a discount for me, and just to get a replacement for it. That's love right there, bro. So huge shout out to Street Hunter. Wish it could have been free, but hey, it is what it is, bro. Something is something, and they gave me a discount, and I am extremely grateful for it. Huge shout out to Street Hunter, bro. That's why I be rocking TJ shit, bro, because they always be coming through, bro, for real. And I just really like the wing. And you know I be watching his vlogs. This is the Clips channel though, but I be watching everything, you know what I mean? I be getting hella inspired by this dude, no cap.